Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And this is a video on the power of a phone call and YouTube. The guy repairing my iPad who didn't repair it and who had it for 2 months and then sent it off to a guy to solder the charging port for 3 weeks, then told me my hands are tied, he's backed up. It's a busy time for all of us in the repair business. Although why in the end of May it should be busier than any other time is something I still can't understand. So I told him, well, I want a full refund. You're going to pay for it to ship back, and if I'm not going to be very happy if I have to go buy another iPad. So I called eBay yesterday, told them what happened. Lo and behold, eBay said, well, you're entitled to a full refund. They contacted him, and this morning I get an email from the guy. Oh, we're both very sorry. The charging port guy will have the thing repaired in a day. I'll let you know as soon as it's completed. I'll do the repair to the home button, and I'll send it back at my cost next day air. So this is what happens when you say, I'm not going to stand for this. You were paid to repair in a timely manner. You didn't do it. And I basically said, it'd be very easy. I do YouTube videos. It'd be very easy to tell everybody on YouTube not to ever buy a repair from you again. So I must have put the fear of God in the guy, or a fear of the guy from Pittsburgh. So once again, I win. And the lazy who say they're backed up, they can't do anything, hands are tied, get off the dime and fix it. So I'll let you know what happens. But I found an iPad Air 2 Wi-Fi and cellular would have cost me $200, and I would not have been happy. And yes, I do have the money to go to AlienCon, and I will be doing probably live streaming with the iPad as soon as I get it back and go over to T-Mobile and pay for the data plan. I can turn my entire apartment into a Wi-Fi hotspot, and if that works as they say it does, I don't need my internet provider anymore. I can just use a Wi-Fi. Just use the iPad as my internet provider. I don't know if that's going to work or not. We'll try. We'll see what happens. And if not, then no live streaming until I get the AlienCon. Hopefully I can do live streaming. I think I can do live streaming with this MacBook in my hotel room. And I know I can do live videos with the iPad once it has the data plan hooked up to. At least that's what T-Mobile has told me over the phone. I'll have to go in and find out. But, you say enough, I'm not going to put up with this, and I'm a very patient Taurus. God knows I should be, because I had a Jewish mother and Kathy for 41 years. So, but there's a point when my patience is an end, and I only put up with so much excuses. And 3 weeks is an excuse. If you can't get it done, it takes 5 minutes to do a soldering job. I've watched hundreds of YouTube videos on how to fix a Mac, an iPad, an iPhone. It doesn't take that long to take a soldering iron and solder or desolder something. Okay, this is the guy from Pittsburgh, George Senda. Warm and Martinez. Have a great day, a great afternoon. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now, and I'll let you know when the iPad comes back. See you later.